Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to another video in which we're going to be discussing the circle. In this case, we're going to be solving the equation of the circle when we're given a graph like the one we have here on the left. Okay guys, so the first thing we have to remember of the circle is the formula, right? So whenever we're given an image, we're going to have to see, hey, which is the center? Identify h, identify the value of k, and then we're going to find the radius. Now, in order to find the radius, we have to be very, very careful. We're going to see either finding from the center to a point in the circumference, and then we calculate that distance, and we know that that distance is going to be the radius. What a mouthful, guys. Okay, so the first thing here, we see our image. We're going to have to see that here we have our center. Now, if we use our coordinate plane, we're going to see that it's on -1, right, and 2. So we already know that our center is going to be on -1, comma, +2, which means that h is going to be -1 and k is going to be +2. Now, in order to see our radius, it's very, very important that we select a point that is without a doubt in the circumference of the circle. For example, this one, right? Or for example, this one, right? If we choose a point like, for example, this one, we can, but it's actually less specific because it's not a very specific number with the values we're given of the y and x axis. So it's better to choose a point where we know the specific coordinates. So for example, this point is point 1, comma, 4, right? And then now that we know that that point is in the circumference, we're going to find our radius, right? By getting it from the distance between that point and the center. Okay, so we know that our radius is going to be the square root of y2 minus y1 to the power of 2 plus, and then we're going to get x2 minus x1, so minus 1, and then that to the power of 2, which is going to give us 4 minus 2 to the power of 2 is going to be 2 to the power of 2, and then 1 minus 1 is going to be 2 to the power of 2. Now, whenever we get this, we're going to get that our square root of 4 plus 4 is going to be the square root of 8, which is going to be 2 square root of 2, right? Now, now that we have found the square root of this value, we know that our value of the radius is going to be 2 square root of 2. And now the equation or the formula is going to be much easier. So it's going to be x minus h, so minus 1 is positive 1 to the power of 2 plus y minus k, which is 2 to the power of 2 is going to be equal to 2 square root of 2 to the power of 2. Okay, now if you guys remember, whenever we have this, we're going to get that our square root of 2 to the power of 2 is going to be equal to 8. So this is what we get. So the first thing we do is that we find our center, we find our point in the circumference, find our radius, and then just substitute in the formula we see up there. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!